أهلا، السلام عليكم. طبعا اليوم بشرح assignment رقم 4 2.2 1.5 2.2 2.3 2.5 okay 2.5 which is continuity. Okay, I think I will not take much time for explanation and I will skip which I explained on the previous or in the previous records. If you have any question you can contact with me. Okay, so I will just follow the 7 questions and solve it. Okay, 7 questions and solve it. Now let us start with the first question. With we have the question is asked, find the x value at which f is discontinuities. So here I have discontinuities as fair and for each value determine whether the f is continuous or blah 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 blah. Okay, from the right side and from the left side. Okay, determine. So okay, here I have, let us include in the or enter in the question. I have here f of x, and f of x has as a certain equations, which is 3 equations. Okay, then so for example for the first one I have 3 to the power x, and the second one 4 minus x, and the third one is square root of x, and it is apply as a certain condition also. So you can use this one if x less than or equal to 1, and you can use this one, okay, if the equation or the certain is greater than 1 and less than or equal to 5, and you can use this one if greater than 5. Okay, so as you know, there is 2 very important things. When I have less than or equal, when I draw it, I will draw it as a closed circle. If I have equal, I will draw it closed circle, and if I have no equal, I will draw it as a open circle. So keep this one in your mind. And then other one, if I say greater than 5, that I can start what? From after 5, from the value greater than 5, which is 6. I cannot substitute by 5 because it is greater than 5. أكثر من أو أكبر من 5. هو أكبر من 5. So b value أكبر من 5 إذا شنو؟ 6 أكبر من 5. But if I say less than or equal to 5, that أصغر من, which is less than or equal, أصغر من أو يساوي 5 يساوي, that it's equal, so that I can here substitute by 5. Keep also this one in your mind. Okay, and moreover, here the question say for me what is the value of x and have the continuities from the right or from the left. Okay, from the right or left, or there is neither at the value. I prefer to solve this question from the opposite side, يعني بحل من تحت لفوق, from the down, from the down to up. So I will solve from the bottom to up this question, and I prefer to the students that they solve from down to up, so flip the question. So let us start. As I said, draw the equations given. So how I can draw the equations given? Okay, how I can draw the equation given? I can simply substitute in the function depending on the condition. So let us start. لما نجي نقول 3 to the power x, 3 to the power x if it is less than or equal to 1. So let us take a certain, بنجي احنا متعودين عشان نرسم شنو نحتاج نقاط. I will have to, if I want to draw the function, that I need what? The points. So from where I get the points? From the equation. So خلينا نقول this x بكبر أحسن. Okay, هني x y. So for the first one here, when I say less than 1, so less than or equal to 1, let us take 1. 0 minus 1. 1 بيكون عوض هني 3 to the power 1 is equal to 3. And 3 to the power 0, anything to the power 0 is equal to 1. And 3 to the power minus 1, it is minus 3. Hello? Okay, so minus 3. I can draw now 1 and I can do this one and do. Okay? So from here, I can see that if it is at 1, that will be 3. And if it is 0, that will be, if it is 0 at x, that will be something here. Okay. So you have to draw this one. I will get it is increasing, as you see here. Minus 1 will be, let us take it here, 3 to the power alpha x will be, it is minus 1, it will be 1 over 3. Okay, 1 over 3, so it is 0.333, not 3, minus 3. Okay, 0.333 المسح كله. okay. Okay, 0.333 هني ها. Okay, yeah, you can use your calculator and find the values. Okay, how to draw? Then let us go to the second one, which is the value that will be from 2. So same thing, x minus, it is the value, it is, there is a certain, keep this one in your mind, there is a certain, you have to draw from, let's us say from 5 to 1 and draw it. So خلينا نقول less than or equal to, the x is less than or equal to 5 and it is greater than 1, so it is 2 to 5, you can say. So you can substitute here 1 مثلا 2 3 4 5 and find the values and draw it. So let us see here as our first equation, which is I have 4 when it is 1 here, when it is 1, it is as a certain circle, okay, but there is a circle on the above, there is a circle on the above. فأنا عندي هني less than or equal to 1 and عندي less than or equal to 1 وعندي 1 greater than, less than 1, greater than 1. So greater than, less than, it is already, there is equal, so there is already closed circle. So I will, when I draw, I will draw on the circle. زين open circle or closed circle، كأن عندي شيء مفتوح حطيت عليه شيء مغموق، أو كأن عندي بمعنى آخر كأن عندي شيء مغموق دارك حطيت عليه دائرة، نفس الدائرة مفتوحة بتكون شنو؟ بتكون مغلقة. أنا كأن شيء غامق حطيت عليه شيء فاتح بيظل غامق، صح؟ يعني كأن أخذت ورقة شفاف خليته على ورقة سوداء، خليت الورقة الشفافة هذه خليتها على ورقة سوداء فتصير سوداء already لأنها شفاف. But when I draw the open circle on the closed circle, that will be شنو؟ close. So let us start again. Because 4 minus 1 it is 3. At 3 here I have, when it is x is 1, and again what? 1 2, let us substitute by 2, will be 4 minus 2 2. So when it is 2 will be 2, as you see here, when it is 2 will be 2. Let us do now 3 هنا صار بينهم 3 it is 3 like this مثلا 4 it is, you can see now 4 it is 0, 4 minus 4 it is 0. 5 it is less than or equal، حلو، فبتكون 5 but it is point close point. لما تكون 5 بتكون شنو؟ 4 minus 5 it is minus 1. خلاص خربت طبعا الرسمة كامل هني بس ما علينا. زين، المهم اذا الحين رسمنا احنا شكلين اللي هو هذه وهذه، بس نحط بالنا نركز عدل واحنا نرسم الفانكشنات. حلو، الان ننتقل الى هذا، يقول لي the square root of x if x greater than 5 that I can start from 6 أو I can start from 5 but from 5 will be open hole في الدروينجز. احنا متعودين، كنا مو متعودين مثلا في الثانوية كانوا يعطونا مثلا خط أعداد جديها مقسم إلى نصين جدي مخطط، أوكي، وإذا كان عندي هول بنحط جدي إحنا less than مثلا، أوكي it is less than أو greater than here مثلا hole is greater than this value نخلي مفتوحة إذا كان مثلا greater than جدي، وإذا كان عندي less than أخلي جدي مثلا آخذ هالهول هذا وأحطه كله من سهم جدي. إحنا متعودين صح؟ وإذا كان عندي less than أحط هول عندي الفاليو هاي خلينا نقول 5 هني less than 5 it is أو minus 5 let's say so minus 5 أنا أخلي هني هول عندي minus 5 أخلي هول مفتوح. فهي صايرة نفس الفكرة الحين اللهم في الوين في الفانكشن هذه. فهذا 5 أو البوت وات هول اوبن. زين هو يبتدي لما بجي بس براويكم شغله الحين على السريع كذيها. انا رسمت الفانكشنات في هاي البرنامج لو جيوجبرا البرنامج هاي طبعا، اوكي. فعندي هاي الفانكشنات، اوكي، ذات انا اعرف ان دالة ال e to the power x اللي هي باللون الاحمر 3 to the power square root of x، وعندي الدالة الخضراء 3 to the power x، وعندي الدالة الزرقاء وهي 4 minus x. حلو. زين هو قال لي greater than انا اعرف ان معادلة وش يسمونه، ان معادلة الاكس under the square root او square root of x will be شنو like this. متعودين احنا مثلا السكوير روت احنا حافظين يمكن ان السكوير روت تكون عادة كذي رسمتها صح، ولكن الكونديشن هني نحط بالنا هو قال لي greater than 5 that I start from after 5. لما نيجي نرسم هني after 5 شنو عندي؟ ببتدي من 6 مثلا، بيكون شنو تقريبا لما نلاحظ نشوف بيكون خط ماشي كذي كأنه straight line. ترى هو في كيرف، اوكي، في كيرف in the beginning، اوكي، but there is what after this one خلينا نقول after 5 بيكون في straight line كأنه صاير straight line it increase straight line. So when I start drawing that I will what draw straight line, there is no curve, there will be straight line and I will put open hole at 5 because it is greater than 5. فاحنا امور بسيطة جدا، شوية تركيز يحتاج وابتدي من الرسم. الان السؤال نرجع اللي ورا، نبتدي السؤال اللي بعده. هذا السؤال يقول السؤال is f continuous from right or left. احنا رسمنا الرسمة في الامتحان، ترى عادي يجيكم هذا السؤال بس يلا رسمنا الرسمة. احنا كيف نرسم؟ اما نسوي قيم ونحطهم، واذا كان عندي نفس المكان عندي دائرة مغلقة على دائرة مفتوحة نخليها مغلقة، واذا كان عندي نفس الشيء حتى هني ترى تقدرون شنو انا اقدر حتى هني ان اخذ قيم واحول، اوكي، ولكن يفضل في فانكشنات نفهمهم اللي هو شنو e to the power x ln x قدام بعد هذه حق قدام مستقبلا السكوير روت اوف x نحفظهم دلين شلون اشكالهم حتى تسهل علينا، يعني الامور تكون بسيطة جدا. انزين ولكن اذا توهقنا نقدر ترى نسوي جدول ونعوض في الكالكوليتر وناخذ القيم ونسوي نشوف ايش اشكالهم شلون. بس لا ننسى سالفة الاوبن هول والشنو كلوز هول. المهم طولت واجد لان هاي السؤال شوي بيركز عليه، بقاي كلهم سهلين انا عقب. المهم في بس سؤال واحد شوي صعب. الان ناتي نشوف it is continuous from the right او from the left or neither. As you see here it is continuous but from where? From the left، من اليسار، من جهة اليسار في continuous، ولكن ما نوصل إلى جهة اليمين في شنو discontinuity. بعد السؤال اللي بعد السؤال سائلني قال at which x it is discontinuous. مثل ما شفتون أو مثل ما تلاحظون الآن أننا من هنا لهني موصل ومن هنا وهني موصل، هني انقطع الحبل عندي at what at x is equal to 5. at x equal 5. اوكي at x equal 5 انقطع الحبل اللي عندي. هني اذا كان 7 طبعا هذه بتكون اجابه 7، اذا كان 8 بتكون 8 طبعا by looking، ولكن by understanding this is the steps. Okay, so this one it is no, because as you see here at 0 at 5 will be value is wrong. The value is wrong. Also here هذه تلاحظون ترى خدعة أن الفاليو على الفاليو ترى حاطنا مكان بعيد، والفاليو هني صاير 4، ولكن لما أعوض أنا 4 عند الواحد، لما أعوض بواحد بتكون 3 ما تكون 4، ف3 بتكون مني. أوكي أنا أقدر أصيدهم عن طريق التعويض. أوكي فملاحظة جدا مهمة، لاحظوا وركزوا عدل. هني ما أدري مسوي كيرفات، هو طبعا حاط هني سكوير روت ستارت فروم هير، فلاحظوا عدل. أوكي بس هذا السؤال كله. المهم ننتقل إلى السؤال الثاني. السؤال الثاني طبعا جدا سهل سخيف بايخ. انزين ما أدري عرفت السؤال رقم 2 هذا ولا سؤال رقم 1؟ هاي 1. What is the question number 2؟ أوكي مو مهم خلاص، مو مهم خلاص أتوقع سهل. المهم use the continuity available limit. طبعا هني ها بيكون تعويض مباشر، هني تعويض مباشر عن طريق إذا بأراويكم square root of x square minus 2x minus 4، فبتكون كذي مثلا كذي 5 to the power. حطوا في بالكم بس تقدرون حتى بالآلة ترى هذه square root of alpha x square minus 2 alpha x minus 4 then calc 5 that will be find 5 ولا كم هو goes to the 4 so calc 4. okay the value is 25. okay so 20 المهم 25. okay then this question. okay I will skip this question in the end because I will receive multiple questions from the students about this one, so I will keep it in the end because anyone say for me I will say for him. Go and see in the end. okay so yeah. okay this one consider the following graph. طبعا حد سهل هذا. اوكي السؤال قال لي from the given graph of G state the number of the at which is discontinuities. as you see اي مكان يفصل الفانكشن اخذ الاكس حقه، بما معنى اي مكان اشوفه هول مفتوح او اشوفه مسافة في مسافة بينهم اخذ الاكس فاليو. اول مكان وانا جاي مني بشوف بشوف ان هذا هني مفتوح في هول مفتوح، فذات will be minus 2 so our minus 2. اللي بعده لما امشي كذي بشوف هني في ترى فراغ صاير، ها بلاحظ ان هني في فراغ، اذا راح اخذ ايضا minus 1. اللي بعده لما اجي اشوف لا هني في ايضا فراغ، هني ايضا في عندي فراغ، يعني صاير اوكي نفس الفاليو ولكن مفصولين عن بعض، واحد فوق واحد تحت، اذا باخذ 0. نفس الشيء هني في فراغ صاير. اوكي في فراغ طبعا في تيست يسمونه more I will skip like this. يعني مثلا I will move this line if I have anywhere more than 1 point I will take it. اوكي هذه بعد تمشي، ولكن مثلا في هالحالة لما تجي مني انت ما تمشي، هذه خب دائرة مفتوحة وفي 1 point، by looking this one هني ما في value ف0 يعني discontinue. هني I have مثلا for example 2 lines it will work, this method will work. هني also I have 3 points so this one also discontinue. 3 point at the 1 point discontinue، يعني واحد قاعد في بيتهم، واحد قاعد في بيت جيرانهم، واحد قاعد في بيت رفيقه، ف اوكي هو الواحد نفسه مقسم في عدة اماكن، اكيد discontinue هذا مقطع هذا، فيعني كذي. اوكي فبيكون الفاليو minus 2 and 0 minus 1 and 0 and 1. okay you can write it by this way and you can also don't forget this comma and don't put the bracket. okay just write the values by comma. okay here the question مرة okay here 2 4 5 6 ما شاء الله وصلت 5. okay so number 6 question number 6 at which number does limit x goes to the a does not exist. احنا قلنا متى تكون does not exist if limit from the right side of x goes to the a for f of x is not equal to limit x goes to the a for f of x from the left side. that will be يعني كان نقول شنو هو احنا جايين من هني واحنا جايين من هني. خلينا نقول نروح لرقم واحد value number 1. if I approximate from this side I will find this value which is here. Okay, I will find this value, and if I approximate from here I will find this value. So there is a gap, so this one is this, you know, this not exist. And also at what number, okay, f is sorry a is f not continuous. At what number is not continuous. لما نقول not continuous في there is difference that between the exist and not continuous. exist يعني شنو؟ يعني أشيك limit. not continuous يعني في فصل بينهم. ترى نفس الشيء limit بعد. اوكي؟ ولكن إذا كان عندي شنو difference value طبعا as you see here هاي هنيها شلون أعرف discontinue مثل ما قلنا تقدر تطبقون شنو قانون الخط هذا بعد إنه شنو you have to take a line and move it. if you have more than one point that will be not شنو continue. تمام. so that will be شنو from 1 here 2 here 3. so at 3 also this not continue. so 1 and 3. okay 1 and 3 and yeah. ما هاي سؤال كامل ولا لا؟ زين هذا سؤال كامل. okay so here the question. okay there is a third question that they say at what number, okay, at what number does limit exist but f is not exist. as I say it for you, there is a difference between f of a and you know limit x goes to the a of f of x goes to the a. you have to check from the right side and left side. if limit x goes to the left to the a of f of x from the right side is equal to limit x goes to the a of f of x from the left side, so that the limit f goes to the a at for the f of x that will be you know في له value limit في له value ولكن at ما في. مثل ما شرحت طبعا قبل في 2.3 ولا 2.1 ما ادري وينه شرحت. المهم بيكون شنو بيكون خلينا نقول شنو when limit x goes to the limit x goes to the but at بتكون شنو at 3 في مشكلة. تمام. at بتكون شنو بتكون value غير. تمام. it is same هو قال لي okay but not continue at f not continue. okay so limit exists but it is not continue at a في hole يعني. okay at a when I substitute there is not continue. there is a point يعني in another way in another place. okay so yeah this is the thing. حلو. خلصنا. آخر سؤال جدا بسيط وحلو زين وهي متعودين عليه طبعا احنا. يقول لك يقول السؤال there is a consider the following function. okay this one and this one and this one there is a certain condition. I have to use this function if x is less than minus 1. less than minus 1 يعني كم؟ minus 2 minus 3 less than. ترى خط الأعداد لا تنسونه يعني this is the value I have here positive 1 okay 1 2 3 okay here لما نيجي لا minus 1 minus 2 when I say less than يعني مني يعني رايح مني so less than is minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. so when I substitute by less than 1 so I will use this one. and when I have greater than or equal to the minus 1 so equal to the minus 1 and if x you know 1 less than 1 sorry less than 1 so I will use you know 0 and minus 1 only this one 0 and minus 1 okay so equal حد هنيها I will use this function. زين and اللي بعده بيكون شنو 8 over x. I will use it if x greater than 1 which is 2 greater than or equal to 1 so equal 1. حلو. أول سؤال قال لي find the following f of minus 1. وين أعوضها؟ minus 1 means شنو؟ I will go here because it is equal minus 1 صح؟ فبعوض وين ما ينطبق الشرط أعوض. ف 8 by minus 1 will be minus 1. حلو. اللي بعده بتكون at 1 if it is greater than 1 or equal so I will use 8 over 1 8. And now x limit x goes to the minus 1 from the left side بيكون f of x left side بيكون شنو mean less than 1 so I will substitute by where هذه بيكون بعوض ب minus 1 إذا كان limit goes to the 1 هاي تدي قراءته limit x goes to the minus 1 على راسها minus هذه فيها minus على راسها له يعني goes to the minus 1 from the left side يعني جاية من left side يعني أقل من minus 1. إذا شنو بينطبق هذا الشرط. حلو. فاروح أعوض في هذا الفانكشن بيكون 8 في minus 1 كذي صايرة يعني 8 في minus 1 all square. فماينس 1 سكوير بتكون شنو 8. تقدرون تدخلونها في الآلة بعد. اوكي حلو. فالجواب هني 8. اللي بعده minus 1 from the positive side that means شنو greater than minus 1 so I will use where I will substitute where ايش قاعد اسوي انا I will substitute in the second function. Why? Because I have greater than as you see here like this. شوف كذي قراءته greater than minus or equal to minus 1 so I will take it يعني and substitute in this function and put that. And then I have limit x goes to the 1 from the left side then I will have to substitute here from the left side 1 mean less than or equal to 1 from the minus side it is less than 1. Okay, have substitute here and limit x goes to the from positive side which is greater than 1. I have to substitute here. Then there is a question, find the x each discontinuities. Okay, وين تكون discontinued هني عشان اجاوب السؤال احتاج نفس ما قلت لكم ارسم. فشلون ارسم؟ مثل ما قلت لكم شنو اعوض بالقوانين وارسم يعني اخذ مثلا 1 2 اطبق minus 1 اجي اخذ الدوال اللي minus 1 صار في صفحة ثانية اتوقع. الرسمة وين هي دي؟ اوكي هذه رسمة مفروض الإجابة الصحيحة. فأوكي الحمد لله في الصورة. أوكي إجابة صحيحة مفروض تكون هذه. أوكي بتكون هذه إجابة صحيحة مفروض. فبيجي تكون شنو it is less than 1 for example so I will draw here and I will start from 8 مثلا هنيها. أوكي 8 and I will draw less than 1 and there is a discontinuity. So you can see here from the graph as I explained it in the first question you can see here discontinuities. So at what? At minus 1 there is a discontinuity. There is also other way to find it. You can say what? You can see now the limit at minus 1 from the left side it is not equal to the limit at for minus 1 at the from the right side. So when it is less than when it is the right side it is not equal to the left side that means there is a discontinuities. There is difference of value as you see here also here 8 and here minus 8. Okay, as you see here 8 and minus 8 so there is a what? There is a gap and this continuity there is a missing of connection. So you can see that from the here the equations because limit x goes to the from the right side must be equal to the left side that will be continue, otherwise will be not, or discontinuities. Okay, so yeah, I finished this one, but I will now go to the last equation. Let me first bring this question in okay, can bring this question here. The question, it is very very important in the end, very very important. Okay, even I will take maybe 10 minutes or 15 minutes to explain it. I have these equations. أعطني طبعا find the value of A and B. هني احنا نعرف find the value of A and B that make if it is continuous everywhere. When they say continuous, so that means there is no discontinuity for this type of the question. يعني ما في discontinuity. هذه يربط بهذه وهذه يربط بهذه، كلهم ماشيين مع بعض. حلو. Now I have a certain f of x, okay, and there is a condition same as the previous, but there is A and B unknowns that I want to, the question asks me to find it. So how I can find the A and B? There is a very very important thing, that if I have two unknown, so I need two equations. So how I can prepare two equations? That it is the solution. So this is the question. Now I will come to the solution. By the way, I write it, that I will explain in details slowly that I can explain. Okay, yeah, so let us start. First of all, I have limit x goes to the first of all I have x squared minus 4 over x minus 2. When x less than 2, what is mean by x less than 2? Mean x, let us say minus 2 صح؟ so بتكون 1.9999, it is less than 2, or 1.98888, it is less than 2 still. So it means basically it is limit x goes to the 2 from what? From the left side, because it is less. From the left side for this function. First function. So what will be happen if I applied this thing? So let us do limit x goes to the 2 from the left side, which is السالب اللي على الراس هذا, that means from the left side of this one. As you learn from the 2.3, that I can simplify this term. I can do what? x minus 2 x plus 2. هذا الآن عبارة عن مربع كامل. Okay, complete square. So that I can cancel x minus 2 with x minus 2 with remaining x plus 2. Okay, then I know the limit, I will substitute it here. So 2 plus 2, it is 4. Let us keep this one as it is, 4. Now let us go for the second equation. The second equation, they say for me it is ax squared minus bx plus 3 from x greater than 2, greater than or equal to 2, and less than 3. Okay, so let us now, when I say greater than 2, mean what? 2.11111, it is greater than 2. Or they say also equal to 2. Equal to 2. So I can substitute also 2. But let us take also this one. Okay, which I have greater than 2. And yeah, do what now? Do the limitation. Do the limitation. It is equal to 2 صح؟ ما عور راسي، أنا سني مسختها أحس، أمسح دي ترى ما منها فايدة. It is equal to 2 also صح؟ So I can say limit goes to the 2 because it is equal to. And now substitute by x2 and here x2. Then you will find 4e because 2 to the power 2 is equal to 4 minus 2b plus 3. So that is, and keep it as it is. Now I have طبعا أنا أقدر أخذ طبعا limit minus. أوكي أقدر أخذ limit minus نفس الجواب يطلع لي بعد or plus you can see. Okay, and because it is continuous limit x goes to the from right side is equal to هني plus مفروض sorry أجل. Okay, limit x goes to the right side is equal to the limit goes to the left side. So that means is equal to the because of the continuous. هو عاطني الشرط في السؤال it is continuous أساسا. So من الشروط الكونتينيوتي the limit x goes to the from right side must equal to the limit x goes to the left side. So right is equal to f to the left. So that means I can equalize 4 by this whole equation. Okay, so this case this one then I do this equation. So I write 4 equal to this equation whole. Now I want to simplify because of putting this one here. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So the remaining is 4a minus 2b equal to 1. And this is the equation number 1. As I said in the beginning that I have 2 unknown. I need 2 equations. So yeah, اللي بعده. Now I say I have what? same. لكن جا قال لي أيضا طريقة ثانية. قال شنو؟ قال x also ترى also it is less than 3. So what will be happen if I say limit x goes to the 3 from the left side because it is minus less than 3. So from the left side and substitute here by 3. So let us do this one and then I will take greater than. Okay. Let us do this one because of the continuities. So I will substitute on the same equation x square minus هاي غلط هنيها بس مو مهم خلاص شيلوا minus b x plus 3. Let us substitute by 3 from the left side. Okay, I will substitute 3 here. So بيكون شنو 3 to the power 2 will be 9. So 9a هاي بعد غلط ما عليكم منه. بيكون 9a minus 3b because 3bx 3b plus 3. Okay, then I have now other one which is last one. هني قال لي if it is greater than 3, substituting here what will be limit x goes to the 3 from the left or right side. Okay, that the continuities شنو من شروط الكونتينيوتيز must equal left side is equal to right side. So let me now do the second one. Here مفروض يكون شنو plus. Okay, here مفروض يكون plus, so x goes to the 3 from the plus. Let us substitute, remove the x and substitute by 3. حلو اللي بعده بيكون when I remove it بيكون 2 by 3 is 6 minus a plus b. حلو. الآن أقدر شنو؟ أقدر أيضا أساوي هذه المعادلة مع هذه المعادلة، ولكن بداية أقدر أساويهم أو أوكي أقدر أساويهم، ولكن بداية شنو؟ من هني أساوي المعادلات. بيكون 9a minus 3b plus 3 is equal to 6 minus a plus b. فخلنا نجي وش سويت أنا؟ كل اللي سويته هو عبارة عن نقلت a إلى هني، أوكي، ونقلت b إلى هني، ونقلت 3 إلى هني. أوكي، نقلت 3 إلى هني، فصارت b 3 minus 3b minus b نقلته minus b will be minus شنو؟ هذه minus 3b minus b. أوكي، و a plus هني minus نقلته صار plus. So plus a will be 10a minus 3b minus b will be 4b minus 4b, and then here شنو بديت هذا مني 6 minus 3 will be شنو 3. So this is our equation. Now I have this equation, the first equation, I have second equation, this equation. حلو نروح نحطهم مع بعض. طريقة الحين خلاص حطيناهم الآن مع بعض هنيها. from 1 وش بسوي؟ from 1 I can find a b or a anywhere. يعني خلينا نقول أحول هذه مني وأخلي ال a في الطرف. شلون؟ بس أنقل هاي مني وأقسم المعادلة كلها على 4. بتكون خلينا هي شي صايرة مثلا، هي صارت كذي أوكي عشان ما أغلطكم. صايرة شنو 4a له كذي صايرة 4a is equal to 1 plus 2b. زين لما بيخلي a في الطرف بروحه فإني أقسم على 4 أوكي، وهني أقسم على 4 فصارت a هاي راحت a is equal to 1 plus 2b over a. What I can do, let us remove only this a اوكي، واحط مكانها شنو هذا ال a كامل. فاللي سويته شنو؟ شلت خليت 10 وشلت a وخليت مكانه 1 plus 2b over 4 minus 4b ما بلمس ال b خلاص equal to 3. اقدر ادخلهم في الآلة كذي طريقة سهلة بسويها على السريع ان شاء الله. 10 هني شنو بيكون الجواب كذي 1 plus 2 alpha x. Let me say alpha x as you can say also b يعني alpha b مثلا you can say b okay, but I like to use x always because I will يعني متعود. المهم I use always x so yeah minus also minus 4 alpha b you can use by the way okay, alpha equal 3. Now you can see here b is equal to half which is 1 over 2, which same as what I find it okay. Here 1 over 2 you can write 1 over 2, you can write 0.5 as you want okay. Now I have value of b. Can I find a? For sure you can use anywhere here any equation as you like okay, and substitute it by here b. I like to use the first equation which is 4a minus 2b. b الحين خلاص عندي value مالها minus 2b minus half equal to 1. You can also use this one and put it in the equation here. For example 4 alpha a okay minus 2 by 1 over 2 alpha equal what? 1. Alpha equal to 1. So as you see here also I have 1 a equal to half okay. So a and b's find it by this way by calculator طبعا you can use on your calculator. So yeah a is equal to also half. You can write half like this or half like 0.5 and this is the equation. طبعا this one is as a special way or a special case sorry that you find here or I find from who is I take it 1 over 2 1 over 2. I see the other question. I will see you now show you now the other questions also. I see this one, this question same, but you can see here 7 over 2 13 over 2. That maybe you get you know the different answers that will be also correct, but you have to follow this way and I will send it inshallah to you also the solution for this one okay, this with a question okay, because it's very important. That's why I keep it in the end that you can focus on it okay. And the other questions is easy by the way, and the assignment is short okay. Have a if you have any question okay, and contact with me and yeah good luck inshallah.